I'm in Camaguey City, and I just registered in a private casa particular, and it's just a private hotel that's family run, and I can show you around and you see how it is. I have AC here. It's quite unique, and here's my bed. Very different, a little bit spooky, but these casas are like, over 200 years old, right? And then we have the mini fridge, a linen closet here, and here is the bathroom. Let me turn on the lights for you. You got your tub and shower there. The owner of this house, the lady who runs it, she keeps it immaculate, very clean. And this is only 25 CUC, 25 cook per day, per night. So that's about 25 US, about 30 Canadian, something like that. And then later we'll go down to the main square, and I'll do some filming and show you Camaguey City. So I'll show you guys inside the casa, in the main living room area. This is the entrance to the casa. They have really high ceilings up there. Very beautiful ceilings. The high ceilings were typical of the time period. This is the living area. There's another room here. We have a TV here. This is the owner of the casa. And my room is right here. The kitchen area here. And this is the lady who runs the casa particular. Hello.
Hello.
¿Cómo se llama?
Larissa.
Very beautiful decor. Here is like a outside area, and then we have steps going upstairs to another room with a big patio overlooking. I can take you guys up. So here we are in one of the squares in Camaguey, and this is like the main street here. So I'll show you the main street. And when Hurricane Irma hit, they evacuated us from the hotel by the beach, and they brought us here, and we stayed at the hotel, Grand Hotel. They have some restaurants here. They have the hotels, obviously, some fast food, and they have some shops, but I don't know if anybody really shops there, like for clothing or for shoes or whatever. But I just wanted to show you guys and get a sense of how life here is in Camaguey. But it's also very different past these streets and into the back alleyways. Also much different. And that's the hotel right there, called Grand Hotel. That's where we stayed when the hurricane hit. They're trying to do business, but You know, it's very difficult here, and they're very suppressed here and limited to what kind of businesses they can open, what they can do. Mostly it's government control. This is the Grand Hotel. Two years ago I was sitting in here having coffee, my cappuccino. As you know, it's my favorite drink. This is like one of the main churches in the city. I don't know the name of the church, but Camaguey is the third oldest city in Cuba. I forgot the name of the first city. Something like Caracol, I think. And the second oldest is Havana, and then Camaguey is the third oldest in Cuba.
Espera el frío para el fuego caliente. Mata. Cuídate.
Found a little restaurant called El Patio, and it's quite a unique little restaurant. I'll just show you guys. The prices are very good. It's like $3-4 a dish. Had our dinner, and it looks pretty good. I'm excited to try it. Some nice lamb and fish, and I think it will be good. See you guys.